Excuse my cough. Charlie here again, part 2 or 3 or whatever this is of this plane. So like I said, I made myself a spar of a piece of barbecue skewer, bamboo skewer, whatever it is, and got that in there and managed to get both wings pretty darn level with each other with a bit of a dihedral in there. So now I've scored up the end of the foam here and both sides. Interesting how they got the paint job on the wing all around on that one. On this one, the ends are still white. How did that happen? Who knows? Anyway, the plane's been around for a long time, so I guess they never bothered improving on the design from the day they started it. And did I mention earlier, I'm not sure, when the landing gear tabs broke off over here, this still mounts perfectly. It goes underneath the landing gear tabs. So when the tabs broke off, the landing gear broke off, left the tabs behind. These are still protected, so they're staying in there. Okay. So we are going to, what am I going to do? I don't know. Probably people are saying, shut up and turn off your camera. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Well, do you really need to see me gluing it together? I don't think so. Here's the old, what is this? Bob Smith Industries foam cure. We'll give that a shot. So what we're going to do is glue in the one side, put the glue on the thing, you know, the thing, yeah, we need the thing. And use something as a backer. I'll use this. Here we go. On one side, we gotta feed this puppy. Like that. And then the other side will go on the opposite side. So we'll take more glue right on that one too. And there as well. Clean off the excess later. But you have to get that into those grooves that you cut. Let that sit for a bit. This side over here. Sorry about the camera work. I don't have a camera crew like Brian Phillips does. She is really good. She gets those pictures of him screwing up and everything else. Does a great job. That puppy's going in there. Gotta align this thing over here. And that goes together like that. And like that. Wiggle around a little bit. Pull them apart. in there. There it was. A couple of sticky tries. I wonder if I should have used CA. Oh. This is not going back together correctly. There we go. Needs to adjust. That's no good at all, is it? There we are. Knew there was something wrong. Here we go. Well, I guess we'll let that set up. And I think what I'm going to do to keep, I really don't have to worry about this because once you put the cam locks in there, it's going to level this out anyway. So another thing I did prior to this, you can see the shiny there, right there. I took some packing tape. I put a strip on each wing separately from the joint. And also, when the wing was in place, and after a couple of not so delicate landings, when that tab broke in the front, this tab here, you see that there's one here but missing here. When playing up the wings were swept wings instead of straight wings. So what I did was took piece of packing tape and I'll put it piece of packing tape from the windshield cockpit over to this tape to hold the wings together so they wouldn't spew out if for some chance, not some chance, when I did crash again, it might hold the wings level or straighter until whatever. Because that tab was missing, I figured that would reinforce it. Anyway, there we go. We do have a little wooden spar in there. Hopefully it's the right angle. I guess I'll find, it looks kind of straight. Maybe it needs more, I'm not sure. Well, we'll see. Alright, so that was that. Anything else I forgot? Yeah, I forgot to shut up. Okay. Okay. Next step is to put it back together, I guess, and See how I do then. Okay, Charlie out again.